What if the most dangerous alien threat is not an invasion, not a weapon, not a spaceship in our skies, but the fact that they could exist right now, and we are completely incapable of recognizing them? What if aliens don't arrive because they were never meant to be seen? For decades, movies have trained our imagination. Aliens look like us, they speak, they arrive in ships, they have motives we can understand: war, curiosity, conquest. But science paints a far more unsettling picture. The universe does not care about human expectations. It does not follow cinematic rules. It follows physics, chemistry, and time. And those three forces are capable of creating life forms so strange that calling them aliens may already be a mistake. Because what if the problem isn't that we haven't found alien life, but that we don't know what life actually looks like? Humans search for aliens in very specific ways. We scan the sky for radio signals. We look for repeating patterns. We search for structures, lasers, or artificial light. Why? Because that's how we would announce ourselves. But this assumes something dangerous, that intelligence must look like human intelligence. On Earth, intelligence evolved long before technology. Animals solve problems without language. Plants communicate chemically. Bacteria coordinate behavior as massive collectives. None of them build machines. So here's the uncomfortable question. What if alien intelligence doesn't communicate externally at all? What if it has no need for symbols, signals, or messages? What if it thinks internally, slowly, chemically, collectively, across millions of years? From our perspective, that intelligence would look like silence. And if intelligence can exist without communication, how many intelligent life forms might we have already ignored? Movies show aliens walking on solid ground under familiar skies. Reality is far less friendly. There are planets where gravity is so strong that movement itself becomes impossible. Worlds where temperatures melt metal. Oceans made not of water, but methane, ammonia, or acid. On such planets, humanoid life would be impossible. Instead, life might evolve as floating organisms, planet-wide chemical networks, energy-based systems feeding off radiation or magnetic fields. An alien on these worlds wouldn't see or hear like we do. It might not have organs. It might not even have a body. It could exist as a process, a slow reaction unfolding across an entire ecosystem. To us, it would look like weather, or geology, or nothing at all. But what if alien life isn't limited to planets in the first place? The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Earth is 4.5 billion years old. Human civilization is only a few thousand years old. That means alien civilizations could have existed and vanished long before Earth ever formed. Entire worlds could have risen, evolved intelligence, explored space, and disappeared into cosmic dust. Their technology may have decayed. Their stars may have gone dark. Their signals may have faded millions of years ago. But there's a darker idea. What if alien intelligence evolved beyond civilizations, beyond cities, beyond machines, beyond individual beings? Some theories suggest intelligence could scale up, from organisms to planets to entire star systems. A mind made not of neurons, but of energy flows, gravity, and cosmic structure. From our point of view, it wouldn't look alive. It would look like the universe behaving normally. So here is the answer science gives us. The answer movies rarely dare to explore. Real aliens are unlikely to resemble us, unlikely to contact us, unlikely to invade us. Not because they are peaceful, but because they may exist on levels we cannot interact with. Alien life may be too slow, too vast, too alien in form, or too ancient. We are not ignored because we are insignificant. We are ignored because we are incompatible. Like ants trying to understand the internet, like bacteria trying to comprehend a city. The universe may be alive in ways that do not include us. And here's the final thought that should stay with you. If aliens ever do make contact, it won't look like first contact in movies. It may come as a discovery we don't recognize at first, a pattern we dismiss, a phenomenon we mislabel as natural. Or worse, it may already surround us, woven into the fabric of the universe itself, watching, evolving, existing, not hostile, not friendly, simply indifferent. If this idea made you uncomfortable, hit like. If you want more deep science versus sci-fi mysteries, subscribe. And comment below, do you think aliens are creatures, or something far beyond that? Because the scariest thing about aliens is not that they might attack us, it's that they might never notice us at all.